Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye, guys. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Oh, let's go na. Let's go. Where are we going? To?
Excursion.
To an excursion. Yan. So, kami lang ng mga bata for today because Daddy's going to office. Hindi siya nakapagpaalam. But it's okay. Kaya natin to, guys. Believe, ha? Because it's only mommy, okay? Especially you, little boy. Ay, look at mommy. Believe, ha? Okay?
It's here, Mommy.
Who's going to the excursion? So, we're going na sa school ni Tony for her excursion. Doon kami sasakay ng bus. Going to get Benny. Hey, say hi!
Hello.
Sino ang saling tikit?
Excursion. Mommy.
So, we're waiting for Adam na medyo mag-aga punta namin ng school. So, I'll let Kai play in the playground if he wants. I'll give mommy the paper. Okay. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Huh? Yeah.
Please say hi. Say, Daddy, we're in the bus now.
Daddy, we're in the bus now.
Ate. Hey, guys. So, we're here na, Daddy. So, Daddy, we're here. We're sitting. So, Daddy, we're here. We're gonna enjoy that one. You can see the stage. Okay. Kaya, ate. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
The play is done. So we're waiting for the bus. Where are we going? Where do you want to go?
Viva City.
Mama Tol. Happy?
Happy, happy meal.
Again.
Happy, happy meal. The meal.
Ayaw magsipag-uwi. Lakad ng Pantalo dito sa Vivo City. So, dito muna kami ng mga kids, palipas oras, or umuwi. Dahil ako off day naman ako. So, sagad-sagarin na natin to. Dami na ng mga baon pa uwi. Hello! We're in the bus terminal na. Layo ng tingin.
Daddy, we're home. Daddy at home.
Flying kiss naman dyan kay Daddy. Say, see you later.
See you later in the night.
We miss you.
Miss you.
Love you.